I thank you members who have made it up to this point. Congratulations, you make us very happy, and we are here to work with you and we provide you with all the basics which we prepared for you in this workshop. Today we are going to look at the third way of how we can get free data on MTN. Remember that the next thing which we shall look at is Airtel. We started with MTN first, but we are also going to be looking at Airtel immediately after looking at how to get data using MTN. So congratulations all of you. Don't skip anything while watching this video so that you don't miss anything. I also congratulate all your feedbacks which I've been receiving on WhatsApp, on my email. Really, we are here to work with you as you also continue supporting us. So most of you no longer buy data. I can see very many screenshots of 800, 1 GB and above. So that shows really that we are really working very hard, and we are also continuing to use the text which we are giving you. Congratulations and keep on. Now today we are looking at the third way of how we can get free data on MTN, and this is none other than using this app called MTN Pulse. Some of you might have heard of this app, that whenever you install this app, you must automatically receive 500 MBs. That one is very true. If you install this app for the first time, you receive 500 MBs. And how do you receive these 500 MBs? It is like this. You need to first go to your phone's book or to your phone, and then let me show you how we make it so that we can get the 500 MBs to those of you who might not be knowing. So you press star 157 star 1 hash on your phone, then they will tell you that you are already on Pulse. If you're not on Pulse, then they will tell you that thank you for joining. So you should be on MTN Pulse for you to receive these 500 MBs, which are also valid for 3 days. Now after that, now we come and we open the app, the MTN Pulse app. When you open it for the first time, they will tell you to enter your phone number. After the phone number, they will send you a code to verify, and then after verifying, you will have to see this interface here. Now after seeing this interface, now what you're going to do, we are also going to recommend it to our friends, because with these MTN apps, what you do is recommending. Those guys who tell you that you go and download third-party apps so that you can get MBs, they are just wasting your time. Things of telling you to go and download an app that will give you 50 GB, they don't work. They are just there to waste your time, or maybe to eat your money, and then you start making losses. So those things don't exist. So this is the only proven way of how we can get free data. So we're going to recommend this app to our friends so that we can get 200 MBs, just as the way how we used to do in the other apps. So to those of you who don't watch the previous video, you have to check for the link in the description so that you can watch it, and then you also see what we looked at by that time. Now to recommend this app, what we do, we come here on spread the love. We click on spread the love here. After clicking on spread the love, they will tell you to enter the phone number of the person whom you are inviting. So that person, it doesn't matter whether is on MTN Pulse or not. So you enter the phone number of that person. So here they are saying that this person already has the Parsi app. If they say that he already has the Parsi app, it means that person already used this app, and therefore you can't receive 200 MBs if you invite him. So what you do, you should invite someone who has never used this app and has already been encouraged. These people who have never used these apps are those guys with button phones, because they don't know these things. So here they are saying thank you for recommending the MTN app, that I will get 200 if that one joins MTN Pulse. So what we do here, we don't with this method we don't go to clear our data. No, there is no need of clearing our data. There is no need of connecting VPN, just like the way how the other method is used to work. What we do, we just come here on this menu button. After clicking on the menu button, we come here on log out. Hope you can see the logout button. After clicking on logout, remember I have already recommended that number, so we type back the number which we have recommended to use the app. Remember, even if this person has a button phone, no problem. Whether has a button phone or smartphone, it has no problem. But for the other person to receive the 500 MBs, he must have joined the MTN Pulse. So you enter the number which you have invited, and after entering the number, they will send a text message to that person. So when they send him a text message, you check for it, and then you copy that code and you paste it here. You can see it has already come, so I just copy and I paste. So we wait as it loads, and then it should open very soon. So it has opened. So if it opens immediately, you will have to receive your 200 MBs, and the other one will have to receive 500 MBs. Now, so that is one way of how we can get MBs using this app. There is another trick within this app which you can use to get MBs, but for the case of these ones, you receive them every week. You receive them on a weekly basis. So we shall come and we open this app just like how it has opened. For the case of getting 200, you have understood how to make it. If you have not understood, then you can go back and you replay the video so that you can understand. This is why we made this workshop in a video form. Where you don't understand, you go back and watch so that you understand better. Now, to get those MBs which I'm telling you, using this app which you get every week, you come and you open here on freebies. So when you open on freebies, you head down and you click on spin the wheel of fortune. So you can see they are saying that you already spinned the wheel. Please try again in 6 days. It means I spinned yesterday. That's why I can't spin. To spin the wheel, it means you come here and you click there. And then after clicking there, a wheel comes and then you spin. Then you try to see if you receive that. Anyway, this one I have to make it clear when I'm spinning. I have to make a short video on how to make it, and then you will have to understand better, or you will have to try it out and you will tell me the feedback which you got. So you have to subscribe on this YouTube channel so that you can receive all the videos concerning this workshop. But before we leave, there is an important notice which you want to give out. This is to inform you that starting from the next video, that will be on Monday or Friday if I'm not mistaken, either this Friday or Monday, further lessons will not take place here in our WhatsApp group. Remember that these videos on YouTube, you can't find them there because these are best tricks. We just teach them to the people in the workshop. So further lessons will not be taught in the WhatsApp group. They won't be posted there. They will be posted in our master class. And to join our master class, you will only need to pay Uganda X 5,000 shillings. It is only 5k which you have to pay. Please don't be taken out by these conmen who may try to say that yes, pay via me pay. No, the description on how to pay is going to be described in the group. You have to pay 5,000 shillings so that you can join the master class. And there are very many things which you shall look at in the master class. We shall start immediately on how to get data using Airtel. From there, we shall go on to look at how to get unlimited internet on both MTN and Airtel. We shall also go on to see how we can earn money online and get paid via mobile money without things of debit cards and credit cards, and much more as will be communicated in the group. So those members who pay are the only ones who will be able to access further lessons in our master class. It won't take place here in this WhatsApp group of ours. More information is going to be given out tomorrow. So you can have a nice day, and thanks for watching, and please endeavor to miss this opportunity because it really works 100%. So you can have a nice evening, and we meet in the next video. We meet in the master class. Don't miss.